this topic is very interesting because a lot of people normally confuse a travel passport to be a travel visa. In fact, I come across a majority of people who do not even know that an international passport is different from a travel visa. They just feel like for you to travel outside the country, you just need a visa. They don't even know that there is something called international passport that you ought to have first before thinking to acquire a travel visa. In case this is the first time you're seeing my face, my name is Dema Fresh, and if you don't mind, I would love you to take just a minute of your time to like, to subscribe, and to share this video, because today we're going to be talking about the difference between the Nigerian international passport and the travel visa. So let's dive straight into it. Alright, so the Nigerian international passport is a small booklet that contains your identity, your information, like your full name, your place of birth, your state of origin, the date the passport was issued to you, and of course the expiry date of that passport. And it also comes with a small portrait of your own picture that will be attached to the passport booklet. Alright, the purpose of this passport is to certify your full details, your identification, to be able to identify who exactly you are, and also to enable you to travel from one country to another. While a visa, on the other hand, is also an official document that is usually issued to you by a foreign country that permits you to enter into their country legally. Do you understand? The visa is usually stamped and glued to your international passport even before you book your flight to travel to that country. So in essence, your visa is given to you by the country you want to travel to. Example, Canada. While your international passport is to be issued to you by your own country of origin. Example, Nigeria. So if, example, you are a Nigerian and you want to travel to China, it automatically means that you have to get your international passport from your home country, which is Nigeria, and then you apply for a Chinese visa, and it will be glued to your international passport before you can be permitted to cross the borders and enter China. Do you understand? So whichever country you want to travel to, you must need to have both the international passport and a travel visa. Even though having the Nigerian international passport permits you to travel to certain African countries without the need of having a visa at all, while some other countries will permit you to get a visa on arrival. Also, before I forget, another difference between the travel passport and the travel visa is the fact that in Nigeria, for example, if you want to get an international passport, it has to be issued by the federal government through an immigration body like the passport offices where you go to process your passport, correct? But when you want to get a travel visa, you have to go to the embassy in your country. So let me take, for example, you're a Nigerian living in Nigeria and you want to travel to China. When you get you first of all have to get your international passport from Nigeria, of course. And then when you now want to get your visa to enable you to travel to China, you have to go to the Chinese embassy in Nigeria to go apply for the visa. And if your application is successful and approved, they will not give you that visa that will enable you to travel over to China for whatever you want to go there to do. Now, just the same way we have different types of passport, that is the same way we have different types of visa. In Nigeria, we have about 5 types of passport, but it's only 3 that are well known and are always used in the country. And these 3 passport types are the official passport, standard passport, and diplomatic passport. Yes. One visa have also different category of different types, like visiting visa. You can apply for a visiting visa, you can apply for a student visa, you can apply for a work visa. Every country have their own type of visa. There are visas that allow you to come seek asylum. There are some countries that allow you to apply for a birth visa, like for you to come over to the country and give birth to your child. So there are different types of visas depending on the country you are looking to travel to. So just do a little research on that particular country. If you want to go to Switzerland, if you want to go to Ukraine, if you want to go to any part of the world, just do a little research on that country to find out the kind of visas that they have and the one that you are very much eligible for, the one that is most suitable for you. Then go ahead to submit your application for that visa, and then you move from there. Hope you understand the differences now. You're able to understand that these are 2 different documents that are official that you can use to travel in and out of a particular country. Alright, hope you found value in this video. Please, if you did, don't forget to, of course, like, to subscribe, and to share to your friends. Support the channel by liking this video, share to your friends, comment, tell me the kind of video you want to see next on this channel, and I will be very, very happy and excited to create one so that a larger audience of people would also benefit from this knowledge. Alright, so thank you for watching. That is it for this video. Bye, and I'll see you in the next one.